In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your LinkedIn profile link to your resume. This is a simple update that can make a big difference because your LinkedIn profile often includes more detail than you can fit on a single page. It gives employers quick access to your experience, recommendations, and projects all in one place. First, open your resume or CV in the program you use to edit it. Think about where the link will make the most sense. Many people add it near their contact information at the top, alongside email and location, or in a dedicated section for links. The idea is to make it easy to find and tidy on the page. Now let's head over to LinkedIn. Open your web browser, go to linkedin.com, and make sure you're logged in. In the top right corner, click the Me icon, then choose View Profile. Once your profile page loads, look to the right side and select Public Profile and URL. This page shows how your profile appears publicly and, most importantly for today, displays your profile URL. From there, click and drag to highlight your custom URL. Be sure you're selecting the full link so nothing gets cut off. Right-click and select Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Copying from this area helps ensure you're grabbing the correct, shareable version of your profile. Go back to your resume or CV and decide exactly where you want to place the hyperlink. To keep things clean, you can hyperlink a word or phrase instead of pasting a long URL. For example, highlight the word LinkedIn, right-click, choose Link or Hyperlink, then select the option for existing file or web page. In the address field, right-click and paste your LinkedIn URL. You can also use the paste shortcut if that's faster for you. Your link is now added. To test it, hold Ctrl and click the link text to make sure it opens your profile in the browser. On some devices, you may need to use Command-click. If you plan to save or export your resume as a PDF later, double-check that the link stays clickable in the final file. That's all you need to do. You've kept your resume clean and professional while giving employers an easy way to learn more about you. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick, practical tips.